we are discussing parabola. Actually, parabola is locus of a moving point following a particular rule. So, this is the locus of a moving point. It is following a particular rule. What is that rule? Any point, let's say this is the point. This point's distance from a fixed point, let's say this is the fixed point. This distance and a perpendicular distance drawn on a line, this line the perpendicular drawn, here in this line perpendicular drawn. So this distance and this distance are equal. This point is called focus S and this line is called directrix. This line is called directrix. Now see, this is the parabola actually. Parabola arises from here. Now this point I consider P xy. Everyone consider this thing. And this line, any one you can give, this is straight line, so ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of the directrix you can consider. So from P the perpendicular drawn, it is let's say M. Then always this SP is equal to PM. This SP is equal to PM, always this equal. Now this focus, if you consider any point, let's say A comma B, or A is given there, so you consider let's say DE is the point. So if SP distance you can find root of x minus d whole square plus 0 minus e whole square, and PM is the perpendicular distance. Formula, this is xy. The formula is A alpha plus B beta plus C by root over of A square plus B square. So that will be x AX plus BY plus C by root over of A square plus B square. Here also you write x minus d whole square. The distance I am writing. This distance x minus d whole square plus y minus e whole square plus y minus e whole square. So this is the equation. If you simplify, you will get the equation of the parabola. So you have to remember SP equal to PM. SP equal to PM will give you the equation of the parabola, this equation. In the last video I have shown types of parabola, 4 types I have shown. Today also I will show 4 types. Now see parabola, this type you know, equation parallel to x-axis. So let's say this is the coordinate axis. So equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Here equation of the parabola, here whose axis is parallel to, here you have to write whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So this will be, what this will be, x equal to ay square plus by plus c. You have to remember this equation. Similarly, equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis, not both I have written x, axis is parallel to y-axis. So, if you draw this kind of parabola, it is parallel, axis you see, axis parallel to y-axis. The parabola can be here also, there also. All the equation will be y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This equation and this equation you have to memorize. Then parametric form of the parabola. We know y square equal to 4ax. This is the equation of the parabola. But parameter, if it is there, let's say t is a parameter, then x equal to a t square and y is equal to 2at. If you write from these two equations, if you eliminate the value of t, you will get a relation in between x and y. So that is the equation, it will come this form. So this is called the parametric form. Now any point on the parabola if you want to consider, you can consider here a t square comma 2at. This kind of consideration is called parametric form consideration. You are considering the point in parametric form. That's all for this video.